Welcome to DJ's Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this lovely, very rare Mercedes diesel AMG Sport Estate. Lots of extras on it. Absolutely beautiful baby blue. It's not silver, it is definitely a tinge of blue in it. Front park distance control. It's literally just arrived. Diamond cut alloy wheels. They're going to be refurbished. It's going to have an MOT, can have a service. 5-star AMG wheels, by the way, they're an upgrade. Got rear park distance control. Full AMG body styling with a bigger, better rear diffuser with a twin exhaust. Lovely rear boot area with the load cover. Electric tailgate. All our cars are pictured and videoed outside for better light, but I kept inside that indoor showroom for any weather indoor viewing. Just put the tailgate down for you. See, that's lovely. Full leather interior, AMG carpet mats. Got the multifunction steering wheel, just turn it on. Paddle shift on the gearbox. Shut the door. It's got 3-stage heated seats. It's a facelift model, so you've got satellite navigation, different driving modes, dynamic, eco, sport, multimedia system, Bluetooth connectivity, air conditioning, cruise control, automatic headlights. Really is in lovely condition, this car. Love this nice piano finish on it, sets it off. It's from 97,817 miles. At DJH, we've full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.